Hello everyone, welcome you all to Edu Transmitters. This is Suraya Tasneem. Today we are going to talk about lymphatic system. Before going to that, let us understand about lymph first. As we all know, the blood is being distributed throughout our body with the help of blood capillaries. So, when the blood flows through the blood capillaries, some amount of fluid is drained out from the capillaries and enters the cells of the tissues. About 90% is returned back to the capillaries, but about only 10% it gets accumulated in the cells of the tissue. That fluid is referred as lymph. Now let us understand about lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is the network of vessels which are distributed throughout our body, through which the lymph is drained from the tissues into the blood. The lymphatic system, which is distributed throughout our body, removes the fluid which got accumulated in the tissues via lymphatic vessels into the bloodstream. It prevents the accumulation and imbalance of the fluid in the body that could even cause death in human beings. Let us understand in what way the lymph is different from that of blood. Lymph is a colorless fluid, whereas the blood is red in color. RBC and hemoglobin is absent in lymph, whereas both are present in the blood. Lymph consists of WBC, water, proteins, fat, and also other essential components that need to be returned back to the bloodstream, whereas the blood consists of RBC, blood platelets, etc. So yes guys, so as I have said, the lymphatic system is being distributed throughout our body. It is punctuated, that is interrupted at different places with the help of lymph nodes. Lymph node is a mass of tissue where the whole purification of the lymph take place and the lymph fluid is again returned back to the circulatory system. Let's understand the process of lymphatic system. So as I have said, the fluid gets accumulated in the different tissue cells of the tissues, right? The lymph fluid is collected with the help of the lymphatic capillaries which enter into the lymph duct. There are two types of lymph duct, that is right and the left lymphatic ducts, which collects the lymph from different parts of our body and enters the efferent lymphatic vessel into a mass of tissue, that is the lymph node. The lymph node consists of different parts like the primary lymphatic follicle and secondary lymphoid follicle. The main purpose of this lymphatic system, it consists of the WBC cells, which is helpful for the removal of the toxins and the waste material from the lymph fluid. So the purification process is being done in this lymph node, and after the purification, the lymph ultimately enters the efferent lymphatic vessel into the right and the left subclavian vein and enters into the vena cava. I hope you all remembered where the vena cava is present in the heart. So again the lymph enters the bloodstream. So this is how the pathway, the lymphatic system works for the purification, for the first collection, purification of the lymph fluid and again entering it into the bloodstream. There are two types of lymphoid organs, basically primary and secondary lymphoid organ. Primary lymphoid organ consists of thymus and bone marrow bone marrow in the fetal liver as well, and in birds it includes the bursa of Fabricus. In the secondary lymphoid organs, the further differentiation of the lymphocytes occur. Now let us understand about the functions of the lymphatic system. As we all know, it acts like a drainage system, that is by the removal of the lymph fluid accumulated in the tissues and sends it back into the bloodstream. It protects the body from the infections. It builds immunity by producing different WBC cells, that is lymphocytes, B and T cells. In what way? The WBC cells are useful for the production of antibodies, which are ultimately helpful for the removal of the foreign material, that is antigens or infection causing bacteria or viruses which has entered the body, by destroying them through the process of phagocytosis. It's also helpful for the transport of lymph, as we have seen, and the purification of lymph is taking place in the lymph node and ultimately entering the bloodstream. So this is how the lymphatic system is playing a very important role for the proper functioning of the body. That's all for today. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.